1 by 2 root 2, right?
I'm getting 1 by 4 root 2.
1 by 2 root 2. 4. It's 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2. Hey. I got 2 root 2. Yeah, I know, I am always wrong.
Guys, stop! Camera!
Hey, 1 by 2 root 2. Yes, 1 by 2 root 2.
1 by 4 root 2.
1 by 4 root 2. Hey, 4 root 4. Correct. We know it's everyone is getting all the multiplication. It's 1 by 2 root 2. Oh, I don't know what. You know what I did? I got 1 by 2 into 2 root 2. 4 root 2. So it's 1 by 4 root 2.
So it's the first one 1 by 4 root 2. That's a big debate.
Okay.
2 root 2.
First one, let's discuss.
1 by 2 root 2.
Those who want to leave can leave.
Why?
6:15. Because it's going to rain.
Alpha minus B. Second one is alpha.
Okay, first one. First one we have to rationalize first.
Yeah.
So it's still writing.
Okay. What will happen on the numerator?
So instead you could just put 1 plus cos square x as 2 sin square. Yeah, it'll be better. It'll be better than doing this thing. It'll be better, easier, way easier.
No.
Why?
Suki, beyond. Okay, Suki, don't come beyond the smart tree. Okay.
It's really good.
Then you have to evaluate left hand limit because mod will feature.
Yeah.
Where will mod?
2 sin square x.
Yeah, but then when you take the square root, it's always positive.
So that's why it's mod of that. So left hand limit would be a negative
So
value.
you won't get mod of it, right? Because when it's square root of something, it's
Suki, let's see
always...
where it goes.
Okay, fine.
Square root of x square is mod x.
Why? Yeah.
Okay, now see here. In the numerator you will get 2 minus 1 plus cos x. And in the denominator you have sin square x. This is a simple term because root 2 plus root 2 will give it 2 root 2. Okay. The only problem is with these terms. Please don't, I'm repeating this once again. Terms which are, in fact, factors which are harmless. What do we call as a harmless factor is when you substitute the x value as the limit, it becomes a non-zero number. Anything becoming zero, that is harmful. So I did not put 0 here, I did not put 0 here because I know I'm going to get 0 by 0 there. But in root 2 plus 1 plus cos x at the root, when I put x as 0, I get 2 root 2. So you can put 2 root 2 and take it out of the entire process. So you can write it like this. 1 by 2 root 2 limit 1 minus cos x by sin square x. Exactly. Now let me do this manipulation.
Yes.
This is one limit which is equal to half and this is 1. So your answer is going to be 1 by 4 root 2.
see below your grade.
Does anybody want to know why 1 minus cos x by x square is half? Raise your hand, Alexei. 1 minus cos x by x square, x tending to 0 is half. Okay. See. This is actually a limit which you should always remember as well because it is used so many places. 1 minus cos x you can write it as, Ananya, 1 minus cos x you can write it as 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. Now, you tell me, as x tends to 0, if you see a sin square x by 2 on top, what do you need in the denominator to neutralize this? You need x by 2 whole square. X by 2 whole square, which is x square by 4. So multiply and divide with 4 so that this becomes 1. And 2 and 4 will cancel each other to give you half. Going forward, I would suggest remember this because it comes at so many places. At the same time, you should also remember 1 minus cos x by just x as x tends to 0 will be 0. So be careful.
I'm getting alpha minus beta squared by 2.
By 2, no, that is also wrong.
By 2 is the offending one, right?
There's something which you are missing. Fundamental error.
That doesn't sound like that's not right.
If I tell you the error, you may pull out your hair.
Set of process.
First one, clear? Anybody problem? Sushant? Shriram? Second one.
So won't the third one just be 198? Exactly.
We'll discuss. First one, second one. This is a possible problem in school exams. A potential question for school exams. Second one.
Okay, wait.
I'm getting the same thing.
So 1 minute.
I'm getting the same thing. So which is the offending one?
So yeah, should we put the quadratic equation in form?
Said I've multiplied its top and bottom with 1 plus cos of this term. So now we end up with x minus alpha squared. This sin squared. Okay. So now then we take sin squared alpha plus beta x plus c times x minus beta squared times x minus alpha squared times x minus beta squared. Right? So now this will end up as this one. So the sin x by x as x tending to 0.
This product is not going to
Yes, it's squared. So this is squared, x minus alpha x minus beta.
dx square plus dx plus c is factorized as 8 times x minus alpha.
Sir,
I told you. Okay.
sir, should we write the equation in form of x square minus alpha plus beta x?
Yeah.
Hey, x square for x minus.
So it's a squared times alpha.
Yeah, a square.
Is it 1/2?
Okay, all of you please pay attention.
There is a
When I say alpha, beta are the roots of this equation,
After a squared alpha minus beta.
a very good friend of mine ended up factorizing it like this.
Yeah, I did that. Yeah, no, I didn't think of that.
Now,
Wow.
if I have to solve this first, I can write it as 2 sine square
I didn't know this look. I didn't think of this.
Okay.
That's why I did that.
Now, in order to, when x tends to alpha, we all know that this fellow will become 0, right? So it is 0 by 0 form. But since I see ax square plus bx plus c by 2 on the numerator, I need to get the same term square over here, correct? And I cannot do it in free fund, I have to just multiply the same on top as well. Now this fellow will become y. So you'll be left with
Sir, but
ax square plus bx plus c whole square by 2x minus alpha whole square. Now you can factorize this as a square x minus alpha square x minus beta square. Okay? And then this term will get cancelled. Now when you substitute, your answer would come out to be a square by 2 alpha minus beta square. This can come in your school exams as well.
Yes.
So basic things, do not make mistakes. Third question. If you think 198 is the answer, you're wrong.
What?
So what? Second question, third question. If you think 198 is the answer, you're wrong.
sir, how do we deal with gifts in
Think party. So this was a critical thing for you and it proved very costly for Bharat. Okay, so please remember this. Can I clear off the second one? Oh, yes. What happened, Gaurav? Shyam?
is that ax minus
Yeah, it is ax minus alpha x minus beta. This factor of a is important because the coefficient of x square should match on both sides.
0 by.
This one?
0, 1,
This is not doing it.
2.
You know how the options would be in the exam? 198, which kids will see and mark.
No.
197,
See, if it's JEE Advanced, I want.
199,
Main means I would have done that.
196.
It's one of those. Why?
Options will be like this.
So 2 or 2 C's. Why?
That mistake you'll find out.
What is the reason? He knows it.
So what level question is this, sir?
This JEE level, JEE Mains level.
Yeah. Then I would have marked 198.
The concept has to be clear.
So this is 196.
See, in the neighborhood of 0, we know sin theta would be less than theta would be less than tan theta, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, sir, wait.
So sin theta by theta would be less than 1, correct? So please.
So then that would mean that
So 99 sin theta would be less than 99.
98 sin theta plus.
So if of this will be what?
98.
So but at theta is equal to 0 doesn't work.
Then that would.
Right?
But limit doesn't mean theta is becoming 0, right?
Then there will be the tan
So
theta
196.
by
This will be
theta
all-
would be slightly greater than 1.
Right? Now tan theta by theta would be greater than 1.
Still be.
So 99 tan theta by theta should be greater than 99. So this will be equal to what?
99.
99. So your answer is
197. Sir, we were only 2 off.
okay.
Sir, we were only 2 off.
So just you have to think.
Sir, we were only 2 off.
Next question.
Oh yeah, because it's a jump function, so we cannot take theta as 0. So because it breaks.
No, it's not because of that. Theta cannot become equal to 0 anyways in a limit problem. I mean, it tends to that value. But whatever it tends to, that condition will always be true. And when you say greatest integer, it will always take an integral value.
Yeah.
Right? So this value will all of a sudden go to 98.
Yeah, that's what I told. Just drop.
And this will all of a sudden drop to 99.
Sir, if it was round function,
What?
then
What is round function?
where more than 0.5 it would basically be kicked up, where less than 0.5 it would be kicked
So
up.
what is round function?
You have to think it out.
What is
Because you don't know about 0.5 here.
Sir,
Just
what
know
is-
it's greater than or equal.
So what is round function?
It just rounds off a number.
Just rounds off.
Something called seal and
Round up, round down.
No.
Okay, next problem, school level as data, problem school level.
Same as this, but one step lower.
so that's okay.
Limit. Solve this one.
one, is it minus 3? Minus 1.
ABC.
Okay, what? First one, 1. Because like expansion is equal to 8 minus 1. First one minus 1.
How?
Genius.
So wait, you just replace this as y here.
No, correct. He's right.
What? Bharat? Yeah, it's not like
It should be 3.
3. It's x plus 1.
Yeah, it's 3.
X plus 1 by x minus 1.
Yeah, it is 3. Bharat, which problem you are in?
First one is 3. X plus 1 by x minus 1 is 3 by 2.
Then the third one.
Third and second one.
Finish it.
Second one I'm done.
Yeah, we did it. But Niranjan, please stop saying that all of us are smart.
You know what it is?
Are you done with the first one?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why wait? Okay. Why wait?
What is 1 plus cos x?
Minus x.
2 sin cos x.
I got 3.
Minus y.
Is that?
So the thing, 1 minus cos is...
First one should we discuss?
So is the answer 3?
We'll check. So is this factorizable? If I am not wrong, it is factorizable as x minus 2 into x plus 1, correct?
Is the second one 8 or 4 to not 2 or 1 by 2?
I think it's 1 by 2.
Which one?
The second one, I think it's 1 by 2.
Go
I
with the
don't know.
option
No, because I took 2 common. Yeah, I got paper back.
Then go with the option.
Okay.
It's actually not bad.
Divide float with x minus 2. So this will go off. This will go off. This will be x minus 2. Now, as x tends to 2, this will become 3. This will become 2 and this will become 1. So first answer is 3. Remember, as x tends to 2, sin x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 will be 1. So this fellow becomes 1 and this fellow becomes 3, this fellow becomes 2. So 3 by 2 minus 1.
So you gave us a relation when x tends to 0, sin x is all approximately equal to x. No, so we can use that. Right?
Yeah, second one is half. Definitely half.
Yeah, second one is half.
Half.
I solved it properly.
How did you solve? I did y.
Any other color?
The first 4 problems are school level.
Yeah.
School level.
They expected.
Fifth one is JEE Main level.
Options are there.
You know serious one
Wait.
Third one's 3 by 4.
How do you do that?
This is like
Black magic.
Second one should we discuss now?
Yeah, so how do you do third one?
Yeah.
He just said second one we discuss second
Second one, whenever you, again guys, these are the type of problems which you are going to get a lot in school exams. Let us try to understand the approach here. Whenever x tends to a non-zero quantity, I always advise to take x as pi by 2 plus h. Replace your x everywhere with pi by 2 plus h. What will be the benefit of doing that? The benefit is, as your x tends to pi by 2, you can safely say h tends to 0. So the entire problem would actually convert itself as a problem in h tending to 0 form, which is more convenient for us because we have been so used to looking at sin x by x tending to 0. So we are able to identify standard limits there very fast, vis-a-vis when x is not tending to 0.
What is the third one?
Wait.
I'm getting 3 by 4. I'm getting 3
What
by
is cosec pi probably?
So cos 2x will be what?
Why did
Pi,
you even do that?
pi plus 2h, correct? And this will be 2h squared.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
3 by 4.
Okay. Now, cos pi minus 2h, we all know is. Wait, what is cos pi plus 2h?
Substitute.
Cos pi plus 2h. Yeah, you prompted you, I can see that. I'm not that blind also. I am, but I'm not. Okay. Now I can see without solving here also that my answer is going to be
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. It's like saying 1 minus cos x by x square. So answer is going to be 1 by 2 for the second one.
Wait, what is the identity? 1 minus cos theta?
1 minus cos x by x square. As x tends to 0.
Same
It's
as
half.
Oh.
So if h tends to 0, 2h will also tend to 0. So you can directly say 1 minus cos
So
2h.
in school we can directly use that, right?
No.
In this school you have to expand it like sin square h and all and do it.
Because CBSE, because it's CBSE.
Exactly.
CBSE.
CBSE.
No. It's because of the CBSE restriction.
Sir, why is CBSE so restrictive, sir? Sir, they won't even let us use log at all.
I'm sorry.
Sir, we solved it already, sir.
You saw it.
Done sir, this one?
Yes.
Here I'll suggest take cot x as y. So as x tends to pi by 4, y tends to 1. So this entire problem converts as limit y tending to 1, 1 minus y cube by 2 minus y cube. I think it is easily factorizable also. This becomes 1 minus y into 1 plus y square. What happens in the denominator? Denominator, you know y equal to 1 is going to be a root of this, correct? Or 0 of this polynomial. So what are the other factors? Can you find it out?
So fourth is minus 1,
Just divide it.
right?
I'll check that.
Minus. Okay, wait, I think. minus 1.